Amir is asking, how do you create a personal ad account? You can't find any updated content about this topic. Well, thank you for asking. Now, if you want to get a personal ad account, in fact, every Facebook profile is linked with a personal ad account. Now, when it comes to Facebook ad account, there are two types. One is an ad account that is linked to your personal profile, that you can use it to run ads for your Facebook pages and anything. It's the same. Now, the other one is Facebook ads accounts that are linked under your so-called the Facebook Business Manager. Now, Business Manager is another level where, ad account is for you to run ads for your Facebook page. Now, Facebook Business Manager is the place where you control multiple ad accounts, multiple Facebook page, multiple team members, multiple Facebook pixel under one, like a container, and you can do different kind of linking in between. It's a very powerful thing. So if you're not sure how this thing works, then also I have a Facebook Business Manager Masterclass. You should go over to my website and look for this thing. It's quite powerful. But seriously, if you want to set up a personal ad account, you don't need to. You just go to facebook.com/ads. Just go to facebook.com/ads or advertisement or anything. You just Google Facebook advertising. There should be plenty of link for you to just click and go into an ads manager, which if you are not having a business manager, then immediately the moment you set up an ad account, it is your personal ad account. All right? So that's how it works. You don't need to go through any training. You just Google. In fact, you just Google Facebook ads manager, you will get it. Or you go to facebook.com/ads, you will get it. Facebook.com/advertisement, you will get it. Anything, just have fun and try, man. You don't need to go through any tutorial to set it up. And if you want to go further and understand how to use Facebook Ads Manager, how to set up audience, how to choose objective, how to do all these things, I would strongly recommend that you join my 6-day challenge. Now, it's a 6-hour recorded training that you can access for live. And basically, I cover everything: how to set up a business manager, how to choose objective, how to set up ads, how to design ads, and creative copywriting, how to create audiences, what are the audiences available, how to set it up, and how to set up a Facebook ads campaign using my 2-step funnel. Towards the last 2 ad lessons, it's a very powerful training. Close to 1,000 people have gone through that. You should. In fact, Amir.